Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how you can install pop-up reviews on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, open Popify and paste your website URL here and then click on login button. After that, install the Popify app in Shopify from the App Store. Search for the Popify app and then install it. For setting it up, select the free plan of Popify and now fill all the bars accordingly. And after that, click on the activate button. Now open website, refresh, and here you see the review. So that's how you will install pop-up reviews on Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.